Have you ever clicked Update and Shut Down on your PC, only to wake up the next morning and find it restarted instead? Yeah, that frustrating Windows bug has finally been fixed after years of complaints. And it's part of the latest Windows 11 25H2 update. Starting with Windows 11 25H2 build 26200.7019, or 26100.7019 for version 24H2, Microsoft has finally addressed one of the oldest and most annoying bugs. When you select Update and Shut Down, your PC will now actually shut down, not reboot. This bug has existed since Windows 10, and it's been confusing users for years. Many thought they accidentally hit Update and Restart instead, but no, it was Windows' fault all along. Imagine this: it's late at night, you're heading to bed, you click Update and Shut Down. And in the morning, your PC is sitting at the login screen, mocking you. If that's ever happened to you, don't worry, you weren't imagining things. The Update and Shut Down bug was real, and now Microsoft has officially confirmed it. In the October 2025 optional update, KB50670036, Microsoft quietly addressed an underlying issue which can cause Update and Shutdown to not actually shut down your PC after updating. That's all the confirmation we needed. After a decade, the bug is finally fixed. So, what caused this strange behavior? Microsoft hasn't shared full details, but experts think it was a race condition or a Windows servicing stack bug. Here's what happens under the hood: when you click Update and Shut Down, Windows first installs pending updates. Then, it needs to reboot to complete an offline phase. That's when you see Working on Updates. After that, it should power off, but the shutdown signal sometimes never carried over, causing Windows to reboot to the login screen instead. Oh, with Windows 11 25H2 and KB50670036, the decades-old Update and Shut Down bug is finally gone. If you've been burned by this glitch before, you can now safely hit that button again. And your PC will actually stay off. What do you think about this fix? Have you ever been fooled by the old Update and Shut Down bug? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows updates and tech tips.